why we were put here on earth. What was the purpose of the Creator creating us? I think the big life, you know, the big L, the big love, the big Creator, which is actually us. We are a part of it. You were created as one more perspective on the whole thing. So you are the creator that wanted to be Carla for a short while. I'm also the creator that wanted to be I Create Lines for a short while. So it's about basically because human design tells us that every life is so radically different from one another, and we are here to see things differently, to experience things differently. So we are just here to experience. We are here to do trial and error, to love, to cry, to experience the physical form, to move our bodies, to get dirty, to get old, to love, to get hurt, to then heal again, to paint, to sing, to experience everything that there is to experience on earth. It's all about experience. There's no end point, I think. There's no end purpose. It's all about the journey. It's all about today, and what are you going to do today? What will you focus on? I don't think each individual has a purpose, like a big purpose, but maybe the big purpose would be resolving all the trauma from before and having unity and peace. But then peace can't exist without conflict as well. So it's a big, you know, this earth is very dualistic in nature. You can't have peace unless you have conflict somewhere, because if you didn't have conflict, peace wouldn't be a word at all. There's always has to be two things, so you can look at one and the other. If you didn't have pain, pleasure would be non-existent. You would be just be in perpetual pleasure, and it would be just background furniture. It would stop existing in your field of view. So yeah, purpose is purpose is a big topic throughout the ages of human history. Purpose. Why are we here? And you know, you can go by Matrix. Purpose of life is to end. I wouldn't say so. Purpose of life is to pulsate, to inhale and exhale, and embrace everything in between, and have fun, I guess, and be brave, and try things, and build things, and connect to people, and make babies. Okay, like having children, like raising children. If there's any big purpose, I would just say cultivating knowledge, love, and strength, and giving it to the next generation. Just continuing life. Life wants to continue. That's the thing. Life wants to live. Life wants to perpetuate more life. So that would be the purpose. You were given this body. The purpose is to keep it good and healthy, and to keep other bodies good and healthy, and to keep your kids good and healthy, and just celebration. Okay, let's say the main purpose of life is celebration. To celebrate. To love. To be love. To just to be love. If we are love, that's enough. We don't have to be anything else.